Okay, so we are going to show you now how to add Ring to Alexa so you can control your Ring security system with voice commands. This also works for the Ring Doorbell, Ring Doorbell Pro, any of the Ring camera devices. So first thing that you need to do is go into the Alexa app. That's where we're at right now. You're going to go to the upper left-hand corner here, and then you're going to go to skills and games. So we're going to find the Ring skill. That's what you need to do for any type of smart home integration. So we're just going to search Ring here, R-I-N-G. Let's see what pops up. That is it right there, Ring. I don't know why pretty much every skill on Alexa gets like less than 3 stars, but they're all awesome. I have a feeling that a lot of people just don't know how to connect these things, and that's why they give it a bad rating. Because out of all the Alexa skills that I have, Nest, Ring, Smart Home, Tua, all these different smart home skills, I haven't had any problems with any of them in Alexa. So kind of interesting that they all get a very low rating. So, okay, you can see here, this is the Ring. Enable to use, we're going to click that button, but it also gives you what you can say to your actual devices here. Some more stuff you can read down there through the reviews if you really want to. Enable to use, so we are enabling the skill. Okay, now I've got to log in to my Ring app here. So I'm going to take a screenshot actually while you guys are waiting because I needed that. All right, so we're going to log in. Boom. I'm going to block that out so you guys can't see it. And let's see what happens here. Sign in, authorize, permission, application. Okay, we're going to authorize. Hopefully I put in the right password. Okay, has been linked successfully. Okay, so now everything is linked. All you have to do, it says close this window to discover smart home devices you can control with Alexa. Okay, discover devices. Last time I did this, it said it took like 45 seconds. I don't know why it took so long. It found all of my devices again. I think there was an Amazon Alexa app update, in the last day or two that then, made everything update and re-added all my devices. It wasn't a big deal. Everything was still named the same. All the settings were all the same. The app just said that. So we're going to wait here 45 seconds. I'll just talk a little bit more about the Ring while you guys are waiting. It is great because the cost and the value of this system are pretty much unmatched in the industry. It's $10 a month for professional alarm monitoring, but you don't have to do that. You can use the Ring alarm absolutely free. The alarm will still go off. You'll still get notifications on your phone. So, okay, there we go. One security system discovered. Set up device. Okay. All right, so this is actually really important here. You need to enable the 4-digit code if you want to be able to disarm your system with your voice. So that's super important. So we're going to say next. Okay, I've already got a code in there for my security system, so I'm just going to say use existing system PIN. You could do a voice-specific code. That's easy, but I think it's just easier to do the PIN that you would normally have. Okay. We're going to take a screenshot of that as well. Okay, and let's see one more. And thank you guys for being patient. I just want to make sure I have all these screenshots for everyone else that doesn't like to watch videos and just wants to go through the pictures. Make sure that they have that as well. Okay, so now you have to sign into Alexa for this to make everything work. Not a big deal. Sign in. Okay, now disarm by voice setup is complete. Everything is now complete. You can arm or disarm Alexa with voice. So I'm just going to try it. Alexa, arm.
Sensors require
Sorry,
bypass.
at least one door or window is open.
Up.
Please use your security system's panel or smartphone app to bypass.
Okay.
Ring.
Okay, there we go. I had one of the doors open. I'm closing the door sensor now. Alexa, arm.
Home and
Ring is
armed.
armed in stay mode.
And armed.
There we go. So I've got everything armed now. It's ready to use. You can see the notification that popped up there. The system is actually armed. We are all set. And that is how you set up Ring with Alexa. Thank you.